This is Sherry here, and this is my little drawing of a t-shirt I had an idea for, because I have all this red fabric and I thought it would look cool if I could sew it all together, the scraps. So as you see, I have all these scraps of fabric. I don't know where I get these ideas, but then I think, oh, that might look cool. So I'm giving it a try, and I'm showing you what I've done. So I had all these big scraps of fabric. You could do it in all different colors. I just happen to have a lot of this. So this is what I did. I cut them the same width as my ruler, which is 3 inches. So I cut all my scraps into strips with a rotary cutter. That's not very straight. And I had a series of strips. I square them off a little bit. And then I sewed them together on my serger. I will insert a clip of me sewing them together on my serger. I think it's called a flat seam on the serger. I tell you what the settings are in this clip right here. So first I'm going to take my strips and sew them together. So I have all different lengths. Oh, there you go. And I don't have my glasses on. So I have the serger set on a flat, I think it's called a flat lock stitch, but don't quote me on that. So I have the left needle tension set at 0. You don't need your right needle. And then you have your bottom loopers both set at 8. So these are both 8. And you don't even need the blade engaged. So now we're going to make some noise. And then I'm doing it this so when you can pull it apart and the seam will be flat. There's still a bit of a rib there, but not as much as if it was a serged seam. So, and I know I want my strips to be about this long. That'll fit. You only need to make it long enough to fit on your pattern piece. So this is for the sleeve. And I have my sleeve pattern right here. And this will be plenty long enough to go. So I'm basically just making a block that will fit the pattern piece. So I'm going to sew this strip together. I don't think that will be uncomfortable to wear where you're doing the flat stitch, but then you have to pull it a little bit to get it to lay flat. I suppose over time it probably would lay flat, but from washing it. But I quite like the look of the thread showing through. So I'm going to keep sewing these together, and then I will show you how I'm going to cut it out. So this is my square of fabric that I sewed together. I did leave a couple seams going this way. You can see the stitches on the right side, which is what I wanted. And then on this side is they're kind of flat, like they pull open. I don't know what the stitch is called, and I'm not going to try and look it up, but that's what I did. So I don't think that'll be uncomfortable to wear. So what I did was I took all my strips that are different sizes. As you can see, this one's this big, and then this one is that long. Sewed them all together and made basically a block for my pattern piece. I am just using the Love Notions free t-shirt pattern, or it was free when I got it. I'm going to try and make this flat. Will this twist? It possibly could. I don't know. I've never done this before. I should tell you that if you were going to try this, it's better if you cut all your pieces one size. So I cut them all 3 inches wide. I think it would look cool if you started at maybe 4 and then gradually get smaller to the top. You could do that, but when I first did it, I sewed them all in odd shapes, which makes the fabric really pull. So if you're going to do like bigger squares than that, like say 5 by 5 squares or something, then I would do it all that size. So that's why I did it this way. So I did them all. They were all 3-inch wide strips. They were just different lengths. And then you just sew it big enough. So I could have sewed this a little bit smaller, the block. But I can reuse this for if I decide to make another one. If I can get this lined up here. I did before. So now I just have to cut out my pattern pieces. So that's my front. And this is my back. And I think that looks cool. I quite like that. It's kind of like brick. I think the back turned out better than the front piece, but anyway, we'll see. I don't think this one's going to fit on this one. Or maybe, no. And then you have 2 sleeves. So I did the sleeves the same. So here are my sleeves. I'm doing 3/4 sleeves. So that'll fit on there. So now I just have to cut it out and sew it together. And I will show you the finished product when I get it done. Alright. So this is the finished garment. I made just used the Love Notions t-shirt pattern. It was free when I got it, and turned out. I'm actually really pleased with how it turned out, and I don't know if in the video before you could see the stitches of the pieces that I sewn together, which were all 3-inch 3-inch strips that I sewn together, and a thread, and a staggered, so it kind of looks brick-like. So, and I don't think it's going to twist or anything. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. I have one patch that has seams going a different way, and the back of it turned out quite, I think the back turned out better than the front did, but first time out of the gate, I think it turned out pretty good, and doesn't feel uncomfortable to wear. The ribbing, like the seams, because they're rather flat, so I don't think that it's uncomfortable to wear. I haven't worn it for very long yet, but it's just a t-shirt, and it was made out of scraps, so it's you could make it out of old t-shirts or that had rips in them or whatever that you were going to throw away, and I just had a lot of this fabric left that was in pieces and thought it would be a good, I just wanted to try it. So I think drawing a picture first was helpful, and keeping them all the same size, like width, I mean, is the symmetry. You want to keep it balanced somehow, and if I try it again, I might do a block, like do blocks like 4-inch square or 5-inch square blocks. Depends on your scrap pieces, but it worked with the rectangles, and some are squares in here. Can't, anyway. It was fun to make. It didn't take that long, and I enjoyed it. So I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think. So like, subscribe, comment, all the things, and I hope you enjoyed the construction of this t-shirt. Take care, and bye for now.